Hello viewers, myself A. Satyanarayana, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SRR Goud Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. In this lesson, we are going to discuss equation of a circle in solid analytical geometry. And in this lesson, I am going to cover these two concepts: equation, center and radius of a circle, concepts of cone cyclic. In last class, we have discussed some formulae related to plane intersection of a sphere. In that class, we have seen these two formulae. But a small correction: intersection of two spheres is a circle. All of you know, intersection of two spheres is a circle, and intersection of sphere and a plane is also a circle. Here we are considering intersection of two spheres. Intersection of two spheres represents a circle. Then equation of circle. Yesterday we have discussed the formula equation for that circle, but this is not correct formula. Actually the formula is, so this is the circle, intersection of two spheres. Actually this is a circle, but it appears like a egg shape, but we take two spheres, and if we intersect two spheres, the common area, this is the common area, definitely this is a circle. The equation of this circle is S1 equal to 0 and S1 minus S2 equal to 0. If S1 equal to S2 u, if actually S1 minus S2 is a plane, this represent a plane passing through the circle generated by two spheres. Therefore, equation of circle simply S1 equal to 0 and u equal to 0, or S2 equal to 0, u equal to 0. Both are correct. Either we can use this or we can use this. These two formulae used to find equation of a cycle formed by two spheres. So generally in three-dimensional geometry, a circle is denoted by an equation of sphere and a plane. Why? Because a plane intersects a sphere, the intersection area will be circle. That's why we are using two equations, sphere and plane, to represent a circle. So that's why we are taking two equations to represent a circle. Either first one or second one, any one we can use in solving problems. Okay, this is the small correction to the previous class. The titled equation to the sphere part 3. So today, so our first problem is that is included in a practical question number 3. Practical question number 3. Find the center and radius of the circle. Here it is the equation of circle. A plane equation and a sphere equation combined represents a circle, as discussed before. So here question is, this is the equation of circle. Here in this question asked to find the center of the circle and also radius of the circle. This is the radius. So for that, if a sphere, a plane forms a circle, then circle lies on the sphere and also on the plane. What does it mean? It means that the points on the circle lies on the sphere and also on the plane. So we have to remember the concept. Yeah, solution is x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 15. This is the equation of a given plane. This is the equation of sphere. X square plus y square plus z square minus 2y minus 4z minus 11 equal to 0. These two equations are given. Let n be the center of the circle. Here I am drawing only the circle. I am not drawing the concerned sphere. Yeah, I am drawing a circle and this is the center. Okay, let n be the center of the circle. N be the center of the circle. If we try to sphere also, the figure is like this. This is the sphere. This is the sphere. This is a plane, the plane intersecting the sphere. This is the center of the sphere. Here the plane section is a circle. This is our required circle. This is our required circle. Let O be the center of the sphere, N the center of the circle, then n is the foot of the perpendicular of O on the plane, on the given plane. This is PR. This is our required circle. Yeah. Here in this problem we are going to find the center of the sphere and the radius of the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. So we have discussed in previous classes that the O center of the sphere, its foot of the perpendicular on the plane is n. So n is the foot of the perpendicular of O. Before that, I write the center of the sphere using the this is the equation of the sphere. So what is the formula for center? Minus u minus v minus w. Here if we compare the equation to the standard form, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. Here 2u equal to 0, there is no x term, that's why 2u equal to 0 implies u equal to 0. Comparing these two equations, the standard form, the general form equation and the given equation of the sphere. 2v equal to y coefficient 2v equal to minus 2 implies v equal to minus 1. Similarly 2z equal to minus 4, z equal to minus 2 and d equal to minus 11. So these are the values. So center of the sphere, the formula is minus u minus v minus w, that is minus v is 0, v equal to minus 1, minus v is 1 and minus z equal to minus 2 and minus z equal to this is uvw, this is w, w equal to minus 2 w equal to minus 2, here minus w equal to plus 2. So this is the center of the sphere. I want to find the radius of the sphere. Radius, what is the formula? I write the formula for radius of the sphere. Generally radius of the sphere denoted by capital R. The formula is v square plus u square plus w square minus d. Here v is 0, u square v square, okay, of course this is u square 0, v square 1, w square w minus 2 square 4 and d equal to minus 11 minus d equal to plus 11. So under root 1 plus 4 5 plus 11 16 under root 16, that is 4. So radius is equal to 4. Radius equal to 4, radius of the sphere. So what I have done, I find the center of the sphere and radius of the sphere. Next, so let n is the foot of the perpendicular of the center of the sphere to the plane. Therefore, I write the equation of ON, the line ON, equation. Now I am going to write the equation ON. ON is perpendicular to the plane or the circle. Is I have written this in a symmetric form, equation of line in a symmetric form. Now that is what is the formula? X minus x1 by some a or L, y minus y1 by b, you can write m also, z minus z1 by c equal to some something k. So here x1, y1, z1 is any point on the line ON. I have taken O. Here x1, y1, z1 is any point on the line. So I have taken the point which is the center of the sphere. What is that? Center of the sphere 1, 0, 1, 2. And what are the ABs? ABC are ABC are DRs of the plane, are coefficients of the plane. If AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equal to 0 represents a plane AX plus BY plus CZ equal to 0, and this is the perpendicular to the plane, then the DRs are DCs, simply DRs. DRs of ON are simply the coefficients A, B, C. So what in the given problem, what are the coefficients? The plane equation. Yeah, it is the plane x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15. X plus 2y plus 2z equal to 15. X plus 2y 2z minus 15 equal to 0. So here ABCs are ABC is equal to the coefficients of x, y, z. Those are 1, 2, 2. So using the formula, I have written the equation of the line ON, x minus x1 0, x minus 0 by 1, y minus 1 by 2, z minus 2 by 2 is equal to some k. So equating first and last terms, we have x equal to k, and the second and last terms, y equal to 2k plus 1. From last two terms, z equal to 2k plus 2. Here I have taken n, capital N, the center of the circle, as x coordinate as x value, x equal to k, y coordinate as 2k plus 1, z coordinate
let n be taken as k, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2. These are the values x, y, z here. Why we are taken n, the coordinates of n like this? Actually the equation the equation represents the line ON. Here k, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2 is the random point, or it may be any point on the line ON. On the line ON, this ON, it may be ON also. So depending upon the value of k, we can write the coordinates of any point on ON as k, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2. That's why I have taken n as k, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 2. To find the value of k, we use the clue that the n, center of the circle, lies on the plane. Therefore, we substitute the point n in the equation of plane. Here the equation of plane is 2x plus 2y, x plus 2y plus 2z minus 15 equal to 0. Substituting n in the plane equation, k, 2 into 2k plus 1, 2 into 2k plus 2 equal to 15. On simplification, k plus 2k, 5k plus 4k, 9k, and constant 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 6, shifting to right side, 15 minus 6, that is 9. 9k equal to 9, k equal to 1. So substitute k value here n, k equal to 1, 2k plus 1, 3, 2k plus 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. So this is the center of the circle, nothing but capital N. So finally we find the center of the our circle, and also now we find the radius of the circle. For that first we find ON. What is the ON? Sorry, the perpendicular distance. The perpendicular distance go to n. Using the formula, the perpendicular distance from x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by under root a square plus b square plus c square. Here ABCs are 1, 2, 2. 1 into x1, y1, z1 are the center of the sphere. Yeah, center of this sphere, here it is 0, 1. Yeah, substituting the values 1 into 0, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, minus 15. This is 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, minus 15 plus 6, minus 9 by under root 1 plus 2 square plus 2 square. Total root 9. 3, or we can write 9 as root 9, root 9. Root 9, root 9 get cancelled. Next to root 9, that is 3. The minus taken as a plus. We are using modulus, that's why the length should be positive. ON is the length, the perpendicular distance. So coming to back here, OP, the sphere ONP is the right angle triangle. Right angle is located at N using Pythagoras theorem. Small r square equal to capital R square minus ON square. The capital R is the radius of the sphere. What is the radius of sphere? Yeah, here it is. Radius of the sphere 4. So here formula I have written here, formula small r square equal to capital R square minus ON square. So 4 square minus the perpendicular distance from O to ON. That is here it is 3. So minus 4 square minus 3 square 16 minus 9 equal to 7. R square equal to 7. R equal to root 7. I have written the formula r square equal to r square minus ON square in words. Radius of the circle square equal to radius of the sphere square minus ON square. So finally I got a small r value, that is root 7. Okay, radius of the circle. So this ends the problem. So coming to next problem. So let us raise the lines. Okay, so if the problem is a very logic, solution is in logic way. The problem is 4 points are given, they are cone cyclic. So what is the meaning of cone cyclic? These 4 points A, B, C, D, if we take these points as ABCD. The ABCD are cone cyclic, that meaning that the ABC points are lies on a circle. So for that, generally in three-dimensional geometry, a circle is formed when a plane section intersects a sphere. Therefore, the concept of sphere and plane should be present when we discuss about a circle. So, using the concept, first we find a sphere passing through the first 3 points A, B and C. And also I have taken a fourth point, that is origin 0, 0, 0. So OABC, I have considered OABC, these 4 points. So now I am going to find the equation of sphere passing through the 4 points OABC. I am not included the point D. I will come to the point D later. So substituting these OABC in the equation, which is general form of a sphere, we get UVWD. First we substitute 0, 0, 0, 0 square, 0 square, 0 square, 2 into 0, 0, 0, then D equal to 0. Finally I got D equal to 0. Similarly, I substitute 502 in the equation 1, 5 square 25, 0 square 4, and 10 into U plus 0 plus 4W plus D, here D is 0, equal to 0, 10U plus 4W, 25 plus 4, 29, shifting to right side, minus 29, so equation 2. Similarly, substitute 2 minus 6, 0, the equation 1, we get x square, 4, y square, 36, z square 0, 2ux, that is 4u, 2vy, v is minus 6, w is 0, d is 0. 4u minus 12v equal to 36 plus 4, 40, shifting to right side, minus 40, taking 4 common both sides and cancelling 4 both sides, we get u minus 3v minus 10, that is equation 3. Next I substitute C in the equation 1, I get 49 plus 9 plus 7 square 49 minus 3 square 9, 8 square 64, 14u minus 6v plus 16w plus 0 equal to 0. So 14u minus 6v plus 16w, here 49 plus 9, 58 plus 64, 122, shifting to right side, therefore minus 122. Taking 2 common both sides and cancelling, 2 7 is 14, 2 3 is minus 6, 2 8, so 261 is minus 122. So 7u minus 3v plus 8w equal to minus 16, equation 4. Finally I got 3 equations, equation 2, 3 and 4. Now we solve the equation 2, 3, 4 to find the values of UV, W. Observe in the equation 2 we have UW, in equation 3 UV, and in the equation 4 we have 3 UV and W. First we eliminate V. We eliminate V from second equation and fourth equation. Multiply second equation by 2, we get 20u plus 8w equal to minus 58, and taken fourth equation as it is, that is 7u plus 8w minus 3v equal to minus 61. So subtracting, changing the symbols, minus, minus, plus, plus. 20 minus 7, 13v, 8 minus 8, 0, plus 3v. Here 61 minus 58, that is 3. Finally, I got an equation having u and v. 13u plus 3u equal to 3. Here we have u and v, equation 1. So, and observe third equation. In this also we have u and v, here also u and v. Solving these two equations, then we find u and v. For that, here we take second equation. Yeah, 13u plus 3v equal to 3, and third equation u minus 3v equal to minus 10. And adding these two equations, 13u plus 1u, 14u, 3 minus 10 minus 7. Therefore, u equal to minus 1 by 2. Here is a u value. Substitute u equal to minus 1 by 2 in the equation 3. We get the equation u, the value of u. Minus 1 by 2 minus 3v equal to minus 10. 3v equal to, shifting 3v to right side, minus 1 by 2 plus shifting minus 10 to left side, 10 minus 3 by 2 equal to 3v. Therefore 3v equal to 19 by 6. Oh, 19 by 2. Here it is 2 only. 3v equal to 19 by 2. Therefore v equal to 19 by 6. Substitute v and u values in the equation 2. Where is the equation 2? This is 10u minus 4w equal to minus 29. 10u, here u is minus 1 by 2, minus 4w equal to minus 29. 4w equal to minus 10 by 2. Shifting to right side, minus 29 plus 10 by 2. We get minus 48 by 2, that is minus 24. 4w equal to minus 24, then w equal to minus 6. So finally we got uvw and d is 0. Substitute these values in the equation 1. We get x square y square z square 2u. What is the u? U is minus 1 by 2. 2vy, v is 19 by 2, to w minus 6 plus d. D is 0. D is 0 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square. Here it is 2 get cancelled. Minus x, 2 3 is 6. 19y minus 12z equal to 0. This is the equation of sphere passing through OABC. OABC. So now we substitute the coordinates of D. What are the coordinates? Coming to starting point, what is D? Here it is the D. 4 minus 9, 6. 4 minus 9, 6. Substitute 4 square 16 minus 9 square 81. Z square 9 6 square 36. Minus 4 minus 19 by 3 into 9 minus 12 into 6 equal to 0. Finally we get minus 133 minus 57 minus 72 minus 4. 133 minus 132 33 equal to 0. If we substitute the coordinates of D in the equation of the sphere, we get the identical, that is left side right side is 0. Therefore the point D also lies on the sphere. So finally we conclude that the 4 points OA, B, C, D, 5, A, B, C, D, OA, B, C, D lies on the sphere and A, B, C, D. So we require A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D lies on the sphere. So this ends the step 1. Coming to step 2. In the step 2, we find the equation of the plane causing ABC using the formula xyz 1 x1 y1 z1 1 x2 y2 z1 1 x3 y3 z3 1, where x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3 are any points on the plane. So here I have taken these 2 points are ABC. From the problem I have substituted the coordinates of ABC in the 4x4 matrix. Here it is the det modulus. I try to find the det of the 4x4 matrix, but it is not so easy to find the 4x4 determinant. So I have taken the first row as a base row to find the det of the matrix. Cancelling x into, I have taken first element x into the 3x3 matrix. I have chosen 3x3 matrix that after cancelling the first row and first column passing through the x. So cancelling this and this, the remaining part this is the 3x3 matrix. I have taken the det of the 3x3 matrix. Similarly, cancelling column passing through y and row passing through y, I have taken remaining 3x3 matrices 5 2 1 2 0 1 7 8 1. Here it is 7 8 1. Similarly, I have written for z and 1, but we change the symbols also. Here it is plus minus plus minus. This is the process to find the det of the higher order matrices like 3x3 matrix and 4x4 matrix. So here we have 3x3 matrices. I have written the determinants for every matrix. Finally I got after simplification I got the equation containing xyz and constants. Minus 6 plus 2y plus 32 plus 24 equal to 0. So this represents equation of a plane passing through A, B, C points. So now again I substitute D in the equation, in the plane equation, as we done before. I substitute D in the equation. I get here also I get identical. Right side is 0, left side is also 0. Therefore, the point D also lies on the plane. Therefore, finally we conclude that the ABCD points lies on the sphere and the plane. Therefore, plane and sphere. So, if we take section of plane and sphere, we get a circle. On the circle, we have ABCD points. So the ABCD points lies on the circle also. Why? Because the ABCD lies on the sphere and plane. Why? Because the circle lies on the plane, of course, on the sphere. So circle lies on the plane and plane containing the ABCD points. Therefore, the circle containing the points ABCD. Therefore, ABCD lies on the circle denoted by the sphere and the plane. Therefore, the points are concyclic. So this ends the proof.